Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change PFP in Character AI. So first you need to do is to open Character AI. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. So once you click on that, you simply need to click on the gear icon on the top right. And here you can see the icon tab to change profile picture. Click here. You have two options. You can select from Google Photos or from your gallery. So if I want to select from Google Photos, you simply need to open that, select any picture that you want, and once you select it, your profile picture will be uploaded here. So this is the easy process how you can change PFP in Character AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.